playing some more Granny. In the last Granny video, we escaped with Granny. Last time y'all couldn't hear me, so yeah. No, I'm not doing that no more. Hang on, guys. Okay, so I restarted the game because something was acting weird. Yeah, so I'm probably in a next Granny video. I'm probably gonna be playing on nightmare mode because I want to see how Granny looks. Probably the thing. Oh yeah, and like I think it was like a Christmas update. That Granny had like a little Christmas tree and she had like a little Santa hat on. You know, I wonder what happened to all that. Comment down below what happened. Okay, so I'm gonna go right here. See what's happening in Granny's bathroom. See nothing's going on there. Is the hammer there? Great. I'm like the Flash. Okay. Run down here, nothing. And let's see. I can just hear. Wow. Now we all know where the vase is at. Well, I heard Granny lock in the door, but that's okay because we don't need to knock over. Well, we don't need to make noise because guess what? The second day is unlocked. Wait. Ooh, shotgun. This is good, you know. I am making a lot of noise. What is in here? I don't care what's in here. Is it another part of a shotgun? Go! That was so low. Probably the car batteries here. Yes, I'm escaping to the car, so I already found 2 car parts. Let's see, nothing in here. The book is in there, so nothing. Let's see, part of a shotgun. I think the other part of the shotgun is in the backyard, the shed, in the kitchen, or in here. So it has to be in one of those 3 places. Crap, I just made noise. I'm gonna have to play Ring Around a Rosie with Granny. Granny, where are you? Where's Granny? Yeah. Come on, Granny. Ring Around the Rosie today. Granny's Ring Around the Rosie. I'm out by. Oh my god. Yep, it was in the kitchen. We gotta do is go back. We gotta go back. And we already know what the third piece is. Wait, sorry. Gotta move this. Okay guys, I have the third piece, the second piece. I already picked the barrel and the brown piece. I don't know what that was called, but Granny's not around yet. Oh, I heard Granny. Granny, why are you there? Come on, Granny. I don't have nothing else to make noise with. Bring it on, baseball player. Yeah. Bring it on, Grandma. Good. I do want to shoot the spider, but I don't know where the special key is. Weapon key. That's good. So I'm gonna leave this in here. No, we might need it. No, Granny's chasing us. Okay, put that right there. Let's go open up the weapons box. Let's go, Granny. Sorry, I just had to see the time. I don't know if Granny's awake yet, so should we shoot the bird? Should we shoot Henry? I don't know, we should shoot Henry. We do have the car battery there, so wait, I don't see if Granny's awake. In this case, so it's been a minute. I don't want to go, cause oops, I'm dead. I'm so dead. Why is that box there? I thought that was Granny. Oh my, ooh la la. It has been 2 minutes. Granny, 2 minutes 30 seconds has been up. You can go now. Go now. Turn around. I can see why music is so popular. Okay, for real, Granny. It's time to go. Granny. Oh, yes. Die, woman. I don't even know Granny was awoke, so I'm so glad that Granny was there. No, we still need a car cam. Okay, so I'm gonna try to. Oh wait. Engine. Wait. Oh yeah. Engine parts are in there. Engine part. I'm seeing what's birdseed. We can use that, Okay, let's go to the back here. Wait, I just want to see some stuff that's in here. One channel. Also good. So we found 2 things in the same room. He likes sewer speed. It'll learn it upside down. Dang it. Actually, wait, I want to see what's in here. I hope the hammer's not in there. And the hammer's there. Wow. That's so amazing. We don't really need this. I have no idea where the granny is at. The shotgun looks loaded, right? You know, the thing. But it's not. Is Granny awake? Ooh, I don't know if Granny's awake. Is Granny awake? Is Granny awake? Oh no, we still need that phase. Actually, dang, I should grab that. No, it's so stupid. Actually, make some noise right there, you know. Granny! You guys heard that? Granny is awakened from the dead. From the bullet from my shotgun that I built with my engineering hands. That was honestly weird, but yeah. And I'm not this over. I feel like Granny's right. Where is Granny? I don't know if Granny's awake. Granny, where are you? Please tell me where are you so that way I can go over here and grab my stuff. So that way I can tranquilize it. There you are, woman. Looking all around for you. Yeah, have fun with a shotgun. Yeah, have fun with that. That's so amusing. Just so I don't make noise. Why is there boxes? Oh no, Granny heard that. Move, slow boxes. Granny definitely heard that. But my crossbow's here. That's great. So great. Now Granny heard that. Yeah, I can tranquilize her for like a minute. Tranquilize. Now! Give him on my dart. Oh, 2 minutes. That's pretty good. So that way we don't have to wait for Granny even longer. Okay, I'm gonna guess what's in there. Then I'm gonna get the hammer. Actually, wait, I think I should get the hammer first. You know, there might be some useful stuff. But actually, I want to see what's in the attic first. I want to see what's in the fan room, so that way I know that's not just a waste of time. It's the wrench. Okay, I'm gonna get the hammer first. Because it's the wrench right there. Yeah, it's right there. Move, flower meat. Ooh, slimy as well. So scary. Why are there flies? I literally hear flies in Granny. What the? Yes! And there is a skeleton right there. Well, now we don't know, like, should I go this way? I don't know which way I should go. Oh my god, that was so scary. Oh. And then I hear wind. Great, and then what's in here? Car key, whatever, any key. Car key. Oh no, wait, we forgot to get the winch handle. Oh, there's so much stuff that I have to worry about. Gotta worry about so much stuff. Gotta worry about this, gotta worry about that. So glad Granny's awake from the dead. From the needle. And Granny heard that, but that's good. Even though I shouldn't have went down there. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. What's in here? Melon. Melon, you have saved me. All the spark plugs in here. It better be. I'm in your basement trying to get out of your stupid house. That's in the woods in the middle of nowhere. Probably not on Earth. What state or what country does Granny live in? Does she live in Granny? I have no. Gasoline, yes, I love you, gasoline. That's a weird thing to say. Spark plug. Okay, so I think I died too. No, I died one time. Cause Granny hit me while I was falling down. I gotta get the shed. Oh, I don't want to go right there because it might cause noise. No, stupid thing. And then I want to get the winch handle because I dropped the notes because actually no wait. I'm actually gonna make noise there because then nah. Yeah, because Granny might be close, so if I drop the gasoline, then I'm not gonna shoot the gasoline because we're escaping through the car, and if I shoot the gasoline, then we can't escape to the car because cars ain't. No, I forgot to make noise there. Oh, no, gotta go all the way back. So this is just great. Why did I do that? And one reason, why does Granny have a tin can? Second, why does she have 2 shells? Third of all, there's nothing in the tin can, so why does she have it? That answers to my first question. Not really. Not really. Wait, but I can load up the shotgun, which means I could shoot that, and that might give us a safe key, that might give us the pliers, or the engine parts. Granny's like, what happened to my front door? So glad I took the bumper off. I'm gonna shoot up the shotgun. Granny definitely heard that. Like, oh, somebody has my shotgun. I'm gonna kill you! Granny, I'm gonna kill you. I can see when Granny's coming. You definitely know that's Granny because she has boots and she stomps very loud, like the Hulk is smashing. 2 minutes 30 seconds. I hate that, but move, Granny. You're in the way. Who's trying to eat my foot? Like that's not cool, lady. Not cool at all. No, it's funny. Granny tried to shotgun and shot me multiple times. Actually, I think I should get the wind channel, but then I'm gonna do it. And if the engine part's not there, then I'm probably gonna shoot the screwdriver, shoot Granny in the face one more time, and then be free for the car. Well, we already have the car key, so. Yeah. I'm coming. Let me go get some cereal. Okay, so. It's not. Oh my god, that was a waste of time. I'm just gonna have to shoot the thing off. Actually, no, wait. I came from the. Whatchamacallit? Go. Granny might be awake from the dead from a bullet from the shotgun that I built with my engineering hands. That sounds very weird. I'm not even keeping track of my time. Where's my shotgun? Okay, there we go. Yes. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, I hope it's the safe key. Then I hope it's the engine part. Oh wait, we still need the cutting pliers. Safety key. My dream comes. The safe key's always in there, and to be honest, the safe key looks the best. It actually looks like a safe key. I don't know if I should do it. I'm just so scared. Granny could be awake any second. Oh wait, Granny's awake.
You okay?
Yes.
Yes, Grandma's one.
Wait, let's go do something. Okay, so I grabbed that. Wait, but that's also good, because Granny is going to be further, so which means you got to go through the door. No. What blinks? Ooh. Well, that's where the engine part be. Oh, wait, I think I know. In that little cube. No, and that made noise. I tried not to make noise, but what did it do? It did the opposite. It made noise. It could be in a little, it could be in that, or it could be in here. Oh, it's in here. It's just the remote control. Actually, wait. The remote control might be useful, if you know. If you guys know what I'm thinking. Wait, I'm not trying to get the pepper spray. I'm thinking. I'm not gonna get the pepper spray. Try to alert Granny.
You got clean uniforms for school, Jaden? Huh?
Yes.
Huh? Yeah.
Okay, if you guys know what I'm playing here. Okay, let's play the game. They're going over there. So that way. Granny! Just tell your stupid boxes to get out here. Especially the ones on the stairs. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my god. Granny scared me. That's the second time Granny scared me. And Roblox Granny, if you guys haven't checked out my video, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure you hit that bell to get post notifications. Yeah, so if you guys haven't checked out that video, go check it after this video. And I'll also be posting out some new videos, you know, me shooting the crow and whatever. Okay, so I was trying to get my hammer.
Answer, Jaden.
No comment. Well, I died. I'm on day 4. Oh, now my hammer's down there. Granny, why do you exist? Granny! So happy I'm not playing the Slenderman game, because then Slenderman the one that killed me a few times, and my heart wanted to throw out my heart. Go, 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 come on, Granny, where are you? Please come, yes, with your gorgeous bat. Your bat is not gorgeous, is it? Wait, but I did do a smart move. That's not what I'm trying to do. Oh, Granny! Granny, why do you do this to me? Stupid bear traps. Oh no, Granny was right behind me. Oh my god, was Granny right behind me? Ooh, Granny was right behind me, that's good. No, Granny, what are you doing? Come over here. Yes, I need you to come over here. Yes, Granny, you made a very smart move and a very dumb move. Smart move for me and dumb move for you. I'm gonna try not to make any noise. No, but the meat. Oh my god. I don't care. Bashing dashes. This is like a secret door. Now, Granny would think. Flabbering meats. Wait. That's why. Only if Granny has some pot and an oven. Then I would have been able to cook the meat. Charlie would eat it forever and ever. Follow me, attack Granny. That way, it's me and oh wait, not Charlie. Talking about not Charlie. Spider. I decided to call it not Charlie because he's not Charlie. Charlie was our friend, but no, that beast thing. Where did this go? What the? Yeah, Granny, you heard it. Granny, you're dumb. Yo, I just locked Grant. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna escape. Day 5. Again. I just need an engine part. That's the only part I'm looking for. Is the engine part. I'm looking at one right here. No, it's not in there. No, what? It was in here the whole time. Oh, Granny! It was in. Now all we gotta do is get the pliers, get the wrench, and then we're out. Oh no, wait. I still need the padlock key. Yeah, I still need the padlock key. Okay, I don't know what. Okay, I'm gonna try to get the playhouse open, but not try to get attacked by Granny. Cause you know Granny's always around sneaking around the other people. From this view, Granny's face looks very ugly. Let's see how loud this thing gets. Never mind, that was enough. Oh, I'll break a cup. Did you guys just see that? I should be laughing or I should be disappointed. I think that was a good thing because now I can all I gotta do is drop it there, and then grab that, you know, go all the way down, go all the way back up. I still need a padlock key. That's the only thing I need. The padlock key, and then I'm free. I'm free. I'm free. I don't know how else to ring around with Rosie. Oh wait, I know how to ring around Rosie. Great, did not see that, but so glad I didn't drop it right there. Cause Granny would've caught me. This is my last day. God. This is my last day. I thought Granny saw me. Okay, that red thing looks very cool. Just. Oh my god. Okay, I'm waiting. Granny's clothes over here. No, forget it. There you have it, guys. I couldn't escape Granny, but well, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell to get post notification, and like this video. I couldn't escape because Granny was not coming. I still need the padlock key. So yeah, there you have it. Yeah. So bye.